Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 1 cent Lincoln Memorial Cent. Bronze ito guys. Mayroon taon na 1964. So, bago tayo magpunta guys doon sa ating heritage auction dahil nabenta ito ng napakataas guys, tapusin muna natin ang kanyang features dahil napakaganda rin na malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa barya ito guys ng United States. Ito yung features guys, ang issuer United States, period Federal Republic 1776, type standard circulation coin, year 1959 hanggang 1982. Ang value nito guys ay 1 cent. Sa Pilipinas ay nagkakalaga lang ito ng 0.59 centavos. Ang currency naman ay dollar. 1785 ang date. Composition, bronze. 95% ang copper, 5% ang kanyang zinc. May timbang ito na 3.11 grams. Kanyang diameter naman ay 19 mm. Thickness 1.30 mm. Shape naman ay round. Technique, mild. Orientation, coin alignment. Ang number ay number 42. Reference number came number 201 and shoe number 202. At ito yung ating obverse guys, ang portrait of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States from 1861 to 1865, facing right, accompanied by the lettering Liberty and the motto In God We Trust. Mayroong note dito guys na note sent dated 1968 hanggang 1974, bearing an S mint mark are most likely not props. The San Francisco Mint struck this coin for circulation as well as all props for this type. Is mint mark or San Francisco cent dated 1975 and later are always props. Meron siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering naman In God We Trust, Liberty 1964, day mint mark. Ang engraver ay si Victor David Brenner. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse, the Lincoln Memorial, surrounded with the face value in full, the lettering United States of America, and the motto E Pluribus Unum, inscription na Latin at ang kanyang lettering naman ay United States of America, E Pluribus Unum, FG 1 cent. Translation, out of many one. Engraver si Frank Gasparo, age smooth. Mint, United States or US Mint, Denver 1906 ang date. US Mint, Philadelphia 1792. US Mint, West Point 1973. And the US Mint, San Francisco 1854 ang kanyang date. May comments dito guys. The standard weight of this coin was 48 grains from 1959 to September 5, 1962. These coins were minted with 95% copper, 5% tin and zinc. After September 5, 1962 and until 1982, these coins were minted with 95% copper and 5% zinc, brass. From 1965 to 1967, these coins were minted in Philadelphia and Denver without mint mark. From 1974 through 1986, a number of these coins were minted in the United States or US Mint. So ang ating 1964 guys na prop coins, mayroong 2% lang sa 3,950,762 kapiraso or mintages. Meron siyang uncirculated na 95 pesos. Ang ating 1964 no mint mark meron siyang 28% sa 2,648,575,000 kapiraso. At meron siyang about uncirculated na 6 pesos and 30 centavos. Uncirculated is 50 pesos. Ang ating 1964 Dement mark, 26%. Sa 3,799,071,500 examples kapiraso. About uncirculated is 21 pesos. Uncirculated is 44 pesos. Sobrang dami. Meron din tayong 1964 guys na record nung March 22, 2012 sa ating auction record, at meron siyang grado na ME67. Nabenta ito ng $4,025. Umabot ng 230,350.75 pesos sa atin sa Pilipinas guys. At meron naman ditong short history guys, sa 1964 special mint set Lincoln cent, were part of an experimental into the replacement for the mint set and prop mint sets during the national coin shortage. Special mint sets had a special satin finish coins and were sold from 1965 to 1967. At ang kanyang bagong auction record guys noong January 14, 2019, meron siyang special SP67 red, SP67 RD sa ating heritage auction. Naibenta ito ng $15,600. So, yan ang record niya guys noong January 14, 2019. Kung sa ngayong pera na ngayon to guys ay umabot ng 892,788 pesos. So napakalaki kapag mayroong grado. Special strike yun guys, SP67 RD special. So napakagandang balita sa ating 1964 na 1 cent Lincoln Fini. So yun guys, sa mga nakuha nating informasyon tungkol dito sa ating 1964 na 1 cent Memorial Fini guys ng United States of America. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.